everyone, how's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing well. It is summer officially and your girl has been MIA, but we ain't gonna get into that because y'all already know. 5 kids, husband, military life. We ain't gonna even go down there. So y'all know how I do. So anyway, I'm coming in with a video. If you don't like luxury goods, go ahead and click off. No hate, none of that. This is the deal. So anyway, some of you guys know that I had sent off my Pouchette accessory. I had made a video saying when I went to Florida some months ago and I dropped off my Pouchette out there so that way they can send it off, because here in Virginia, well, Virginia Beach area, Norfolk area, they do not have a Louis Vuitton store. So I went out there and I went to the boutique and I sent it off through them so that way they can send it off and get it repaired, because I wanted the tab done, I wanted a new strap done, and you know, I just wanted the whole thing to be revamped up because I did buy that item pre-loved. So we are here today because y'all, it took me a while to do this because I just did not know how I was gonna film this. I got this item back probably a month ago, still have not worn it. I am highly pissed off with Louis Vuitton's repair because it's shitty. Okay, so when I sent it off, like I said, it was pre-loved. So I let them know everything through the essay that's out there, that I had kind of got cool with, whatever. And when I sent it off, I gave them the dust bag that it came with, and I had it stuffed, and I gave it in a box. Now they were like, okay, you don't need to do the box. So I said, okay, we'll just take the dust bag, whatever. Okay, so this is the dust first. This is the dust bag that they gave me. No, let's rewind. Because you know what? I think I do have a clip of me opening that box up, but I never showed you guys it. I cut it off because I was highly pissed off. So when I opened the box, now I've seen reviews on how Louis Vuitton packs their items and stuff. I mean, certain things they will stuff and, you know, whatnot. So for one, I was highly pissed off because this is not the original dust bag. Second of all, my pochette was smashed, and it was just like it was thrown in there. It wasn't in anything that, just in case if the box got leaked on by something, some kind of contents that was around it, whatever, it would have been damaged. It would have been totally damaged. I just felt like, like at least they could have gave me a box. I had offered to give them my box so that way I could receive the box back, because how are you going to send it? So thinking in my head, I was thinking, oh, they're going to go ahead and when they ship it back, they're going to probably have it in a box, in a Louis Vuitton box, and then the outside box, so obviously it's discreet, nobody knows what it is, you know what I mean? No. Like I said, it was smashed, it wasn't stuffed, and it was like it was thrown in there. Then they gave me this dust bag. I mean, it's okay. It's still a dust bag. I can't ding it for that. And I'm not going to be mad. At least they did give me a dust bag. But this is a dust bag that it's supposed to be in. You see the difference? It looks like I got a bigger item. It looks like for a bigger item. I don't know what this one could be from. So anyway, when I opened it up and I saw this, I was like, okay, well, they didn't give me my dust bag back. That's fine, whatever. At least they gave me one. So I opened it up, and you guys, it's already stuffed myself because I put some stuff in there myself. So I'm looking it over, and if you just look at it, it looks fine, right? Like, okay, they gave me the new strap, which this is not the strap that I wanted. I had asked them, I said, please make notation that I would like to have the new model strap, which you guys already know the new model strap is a lot longer than this one. This is the old model. Granted, this is the old model Pouchette accessory, but I had asked, I will pay for the newer, longer strap. My essay said, no problem, I'll indicate it, but I ended up getting the short strap. Now, I don't even, honestly, now I don't even really want to use it because, come on now, like, I am not a tiny girl. Look at this. This is like right underneath, right here. The reason being is because I wanted a little bit of a hang, so I don't see myself using this strap. I don't know what I'm going to use this strap for, but whatever. So I saw that, and you know, I was just looking over the details, and I was like, okay, the strap looks great. Oh wow, they changed the D-rings on it, which I'll get into that in a little bit. And they gave me a new zipper, which looks absolutely beautiful. And then I start looking at the tab. Okay, as you can see, this is the tab. I don't know if, okay, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. As you can see, I hope that's able to pick up. So I was looking it over, and my first initial thought was like, oh, it looks great. Okay, other than the strap thing and how it was packaged, whatever. So I was looking at it and said, okay, it looks fine. But then I pulled out, I'm gonna set this here. I don't know if this is gonna sit. Hold on. Set this here. So I went for my other pochette that I have that I bought recently in azure print, and something had told me, you know, look it over to make sure that everything, you know, is fine. So I was looking at this one, and I was like, okay, you know, eventually I'm probably gonna have to get her revamped maybe in the next couple years. But look at how it, okay, this is what I want to show you guys. You see how it's sealed all the way down, okay? It's sealed all the way down with the tab. Now this one, which was supposed to be repaired, and this was the biggest situation that I really wanted, look how crappy this shit is. I'm gonna have to really, I will have pictures for this. But does that look like it's coming apart? It's not gonna last long. Now look at the other side. I don't know. I'll have pictures right here for you guys. I was so pissed off when I saw that. So I sat there and I thought to myself, I was like, you know what, is this a really big deal, Maisha? Is this a big deal? And I thought to myself, hell yeah, it is. It is. For one, it cost me $260 something to get what I got done. Now, I know what some people are going to think, oh, I didn't pay that much for what you got done. I know. I'm kind of pissed off at that too. So, I had went on, what is it, Reese, the buy, sell, trade Facebook group that, you know, I'm a part of. And alright you guys, sorry about that, but I had posted pictures of what the tab looks like on that group because I just wanted to know, am I being childish? Am I being, you know, petty? Am I being silly for, you know, what I paid for? Like, you know what I mean? Like, and it gave me every, you know, the ladies and the men there, they gave me all the information I needed just to be like, hell no, this is unacceptable. You know, I'm sorry. You know, this is unacceptable. So I waited a couple days and I was just thinking, and I went over it with my husband. I was like, I paid for a certain service and I didn't get what I wanted. You know what I mean? So I called the 800 number. I didn't call my essay. I went straight to the 800 number. I'm sorry, you guys, it's hot out here. So I called the 800 number and I had told them everything. And she said, okay, well, I'm gonna give you an email and I want you to email the pictures of, you know, of the problems, whatever. Roxy's gone nuts, y'all. So anyway, and I said, okay. I said, now, is this going to be something that I'm going to have to come out of pocket? Because for one, it was quite expensive just to get the little things that I got done. I said, this should be on you guys, not me. So, and she was like, well, you know, they will determine blah, 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 whatever. I said, okay. So I sent the stuff over. This had been maybe about 3 weeks ago. I have not received anything. And I had asked her, I said, how long, you know, before I got off the phone, I said, how long is it going to take before I get an email back? She said, oh, maybe a week or something like that. I said, okay. It's been about 3 weeks. Now, the reason why I haven't called back is because, like, you guys, I've heard so many things about people having issues with Louis Vuitton and the repairs. You know what I mean? I think, what is it, Minx for All had issues. I mean, so many people I know, I'm not going to say I know personally, but, you know, through YouTube, has had issues with the repairs. And this is definitely one of them. And for me not to have a boutique here, it's irritating to me because, for one, I have to go to UPS. I'm going to have to ship her off. Then, you know, wait, what, 6 to 8 weeks, maybe plus. You know what I mean? To me, it's just freaking ridiculous. This is freaking ridiculous. Having to, you know, for this, I don't know where the hell they thought that this was okay to send this back to me looking like shit. Like, literally shit. It's not even lined up. Even if it was sealed, you guys, it's not even lining up with each other. I'll have those pictures that I'm sure, you know, right here. But you guys, I'm just highly pissed off. I'm just highly pissed off with this. This last summer was my bag. I wore this bag so much. And I stopped wearing this bag towards the end of summer because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm wearing the hell out of it. I want to stop. And I want to make sure I get her repaired because I want to keep the longevity and I don't want to mess up the canvas, nothing, you know what I mean? And when I sent her off, I was so excited because I was like, Louis Vuitton doesn't do nobody wrong. Psh, yeah, right. I don't know why I thought that because, I mean, watching repair videos, you know, I'm pissed off. I don't even know if I want to send this back to them. I mean, I'm afraid to wear it because I know that it's not going to last forever. I mean, like, you know, I know it's not gonna last long. Eventually this shit's gonna end up coming apart and I'm gonna have issues, you know what I mean? I'm just not happy. And you know, I was so excited to get her back because I was like, ooh, eventually I'm gonna end up sending this one off, you know what I mean? Not no time soon, but I'm gonna end up sending this one off so that way I can get her revamped as well, you know what I mean? But now I'm at a place where I don't know. I'm like torn. Do I even want to call Louis Vuitton back and let them know what's the deal? Why haven't I received? And then, you know, having to listen to some bullshit. Oh, we didn't receive it. Y'all received it. Y'all just didn't do nothing with it. You know, y'all didn't respond back. And I looked through my email, so that's not even an issue. I don't even know. Should I stay on them, you guys? Or should I say the hell with it? Okay, and that's another thing. Let me ask you guys this. When I sent my Pouchette off, my essay had got back with me. Now, what I wanted done in the beginning was the strap, obviously the zipper, the tab, and I wanted this ring to be changed out because this ring was so tarnished. It was silver. I mean, the coating had rubbed off totally. So those are the things that I wanted done to it. Now, when my essay got back with me, when she got back with me, she said, you know, I heard back from them and they told me that in order for me to get the D-ring on here redone, they would have to open up the whole bag and it would be about $500, close to $500 for it to be repaired. I said, that's a whole new freaking bag. That don't make no sense. I said, no, forget, leave the D-ring on. I'll live, you know what I mean? Why did they change it? I mean, like, I didn't pay for 400, almost $500 for the thing. So that lets me know that's another thing that Louis Vuitton does. They pick and choose their prices for your repairs. Not every repair is the same price, and as we know it. But I'm gonna be honest, that's pretty effed up. That is hands down effed up how you're doing your customers. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not a long time customer. I'm fairly new to the brand. But why would you do that to your customer? Like, you know what I mean? You pride yourself on, well, at least from what I hear, they pride themselves on having good customer service and this and that. This is BS. This is not good customer service. So you're gonna tell me in order for them to change the D-ring on this, they gotta reopen up the bag, and it will be $400, almost $500 basically for that to be done. But you guys end up doing it anyway, and I paid $260 something. I mean, what does that mean? So it's really $260 something. Y'all was just trying to get some money out of me, some more money out of me. That's fucked up, for one. I'm sorry, you guys, excuse my language, but that's jacked up how you're gonna do somebody like that. But I don't know what to do. I don't know if I wanna fool with them. I just don't know if I wanna fool with them. So at this point, I've been using her. Definitely been using her. Not a whole lot, but I definitely been using my Azure print, and I absolutely love it. But, you know, this one is definitely going back into the dust bag until I figure out what am I going to do. I don't know, you guys. I'm just kind of, you know, I haven't been, last luxury good that I have bought, was it my clay? I actually bought that from Louis Vuitton. I have all 3 clays now, but I don't know. I think this one might be the last item that I have bought, but this is pre-love. Not that I'm not interested in Louis Vuitton no more. I just feel like my collection now is kind of where I want to be. I do want a Neverfull. And the favorite, I'm sorry, I done kissed the favorite goodbye because that's so motherfucking hard to get online. I'm not going to even try no more. I'm just not going to even try with the favorite. I just might go down the path of something else, and y'all might see what that something else may be. And I think you guys might know. But as far as buying the favorite online, I'm over it. I'm tired of trying to hunt and get that one. But I am starting, you know, leaning toward getting a Neverfull now. But I don't know. As of right now, I'm kind of good on the luxury good for right now. I'm gonna enjoy what I've got, and not only that, I've been trying to save my ass off because next year we want to go on a big trip. So I don't know, you guys. I'm rambling now at this point, but what would y'all do in my position? Would y'all just go ahead and call them back, or say fuck it and just, I don't know, I don't know, you guys. Or should I sell her? No, see, I don't want to sell it because it's like my favorite bag. Like one of my favorite bags. I don't know. So, that's the deal on this. Oh, well, nope, this one. All right, you guys. Talk to you guys soon and have a great day. Bye.